longest consecutive sequence given an unsorted array of integer nums. Return the length of the longest consecutive element sequence. You must write an algorithm that runs in big of n time. So you are given an unsorted array of numbers. You must find the length of the longest consecutive sequence. So consecutive means numbers that come one after another, like 1, 2, 3, 4 or 8, 9, 10. Order in array does not matter. Example, order in array does not matter. 100, 4, 200, 1, 3, 2. Consecutive sequence inside this array. 100 is only 100. Length, so length is 1, and come to 200 also 1, only 1. So this length also 1, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. They come one after another, so the length is 4. So the answer is 4. So this answer is 4. But if have 2, 5, 1, 3, 4, so the length for this length is 5, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what's the idea to solve this problem? We can use map. We use a map where key is equal to number and value is equal to the length of consecutive sequence that number belongs to, and we only store length at the boundary numbers. Boundary means sequence key first and last number. Example sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left boundary is equal to 1, this, and right boundary is equal to 5. This one inside numbers like 2, 3, 4 does not matter for storing length. This makes the algorithm big of n. So let's try run. 100, 4, 200, 1, 3, 2. Map. Now our map is empty. Map is empty at start. There is nothing, and our variable longest length is equal to 0. First we check 100 is equal to 100 left is equal to 99 in map. 100 left 99 in map. No, there is nothing. 100 right 101 in map. No, there is nothing. So left is equal to 0, right is equal to 0, and this is our current number. Current number is equal to 1, so the total is 1. Update boundaries. Let's update the boundary. Map of 100 is equal to 1. This is a boundary. Now map will look like this. 1. Next is 4. Next is 4. 4 left is 3 and 4 right is 5. Is 3 and 5 in map? No. So what it will come? Left is equal to 0, right is equal to 0, and current n is equal to 1. So the total is 1. So the total is 1, and let's store this also. Store 1. Now come 200. 200 left 199 and right 201. Is these numbers are in the map? No. So left is equal to 0, right is equal to 0, left is equal to 0, right is equal to 0, and this one current number is equal to 1. So the total is 1. And store this also in the map. 200 is to 1. Okay, so the longest variable is 1 only. Okay, nothing is only 1. So n is equal to 1. If n is 1, n is equal to 1. 1 left 0, right is 2. It is 0, right is 2. So they are in map? No. So left is equal to 0, right is equal to 0, and the current number is equal to 1. This one, it will become total 1. Now store 1 in the map. Longest number is 1 only. Now n is equal to 3. So n is equal to 3. 3 left 2, right 4. Left is not in the map, but right is in the map. 4 here. Okay, so what I do? Left is equal to 0, right is equal to 1, and this current number n, current number is equal to 1. So the total is 2. Now update the boundaries. Okay, we got the number and we now update the boundary. Left boundary is equal to 3 minus 0, 3, and right boundary to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now map will become like this. 101, 4 will become 2, 2 will become 1, and 1 become 1, and 3 will become 2. Longest length is 2. Okay, now n is equal to 2. Now n is equal to 2 is equal to 2. N 2 left 1 and 2 right is 3. Left is equal to 1, right is equal to 3. Yes, they both are exit in the map. Both are in the map. 2 and 1. So the total is 1 plus 2 is equal to 4. Left boundary is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Just right boundary 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Update a map. Now we are going to update a map. Let's update here. Update a map of 1 is equal to 4. Set boundary map 4. Final map look like this. So the longest length is 4. Map will be updated like this. Let's write down the code. First, map to store sequence length. Map is stored sequence length. So next is skip duplicates. Now we check left. Now check right. Now total length int update longest. Now update the boundaries. This is our left boundary. And this right boundary. Now mark current number also. I forgot this. Map to store sequence length. Track longest sequence. Look through each number. If number already processed, skipped. Interrupt. If length of the sequence on the left. If left never exit, get it length of the right side. If right never exit, get it its length. Here total sequence length after adding current number. Update left boundary, update right boundary, update current number, update the answer.